belly dancing to many mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
So this is the hair I'm going to use, and it's a synthetic hair called figure 8 in bob style. It's very affordable, but I don't have a link to where you guys can go get it because I got it from the market, but any hair would do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a wig without closure. This wig cap is the regular one that comes in two types, the one for braided wig which has a closure net in front, and the one for weave-ons. It's very affordable. We'll leave a link to where you guys can go get it in the description box below in case if you are interested. Not cutting the weft, I'm doing the turnover method. When I get to the end, I just turn it over and continue sewing. If you're a beginner, I would advise you to get T-pins. They really help to hold the weave-on in place while sewing, like so, like what I'm doing right now. I'm using T-pins to hold the weave-on, that's the weft of the weave-on in place, and then I'll sew. So I'm just installing the hair step by step with needle and thread, but if you like, you can use the hot glue method or hot glue gun. It's kind of faster, but the only disadvantage is that after washing the wig a couple of times, you start seeing the weave-on falling out from the cap. I always prefer to use needle and thread no matter how much time it takes because it lasts longer, and especially if I'm doing client wigs, I'm always use needle and thread. I don't really want to stress much about the sew because it's the usual way to sew a wig cap, and we are more concerned about the finishing part, that's the closing of the cap. While sewing, I'm not giving too much space because I don't want the thread to start hanging, and I also want it to look like it was sewn by a machine. Don't know if you guys get what I mean. Basically, I'm just sewing the weave on until I get to the front part of the cap. When I get to the end of the cap, I cut off the hair, then place it on the next line and continue sewing. I'm only doing this because I really want the hair to lay very flat since I'm taking two wefts, but if you are using just one weft, you can just continue with the turnover method. So this one is just for the front, and especially when you are using like two wefts, you can do the cutting method. But if you are doing just one weft, you are using just one weft, you just do the turnover method. Now that we are at the front, I'm just minimizing space, sewing gradually. We'll sew until the two ends of the weft meet in front side by side. That is, I'm just sewing until I find no space in between the two of them, and I'm making sure that there is like a center pattern. I don't know if you guys get, but just watch the video very carefully. Then to close the hair, I'm just passing the needle under the weft of the left and then taking it to the right like so. This is to help join the two wefts together, using my thumbs to help push the needle to the other side of the wig. So this is one of the methods we use to close wig without closure, and you can also do this on a client's hair. I already have a video on it. We'll leave the link in the description box below, so in case if you are interested, you can go and check it out. So like I said in the other video, there are other ways you can sew in or fix a weave on without a closure. We'll upload the second method soon, so stay tuned and subscribe if you are new. You can also leave a comment on when you want the video to be uploaded on your notifications so that you don't get to miss any of the videos. Thanks so much.